Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making awesome banana nut muffins that are going to blow your mind and satisfy your hunger. So here are all the wet ingredients. You're going to start with 7 ripe burro bananas, and those are the short bananas. You might see them at the Asian market. They might be called Thai bananas. And we're going to mash all of them up. We're going to mash up all the wet ingredients first. And let's see this on a time lapse. Time warp. Alright, now you're going to add the dry ingredients, which includes spelt flour, rye flour, date sugar, and sea salt. Very high quality ingredients. This is what's going to make your high quality food. You can't just use the ingredients everyone else is using and expect the results everyone else is getting. Alright, so let's mix this all together. It's okay for it to be lumpy. Muffins are better if they're not completely mixed. And then crumble some walnuts in. 2 small handfuls of walnuts, chopped. And this is almost ready to go in the muffin tins. Alright, now we're just going to spoon this in to each paper evenly distributed so that they're all the same size, and these are going to almost overflow. Just make sure to use a spoon and carefully mound them up. Alright, now here's a secret touch coming up, so don't miss this part. Sprinkle date sugar on the top of each one. This takes an extra minute, but this will pay off big time. And this is the best part of the muffin, making the muffin tops irresistible. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, these are ready to pop in the oven. We're going to bake these for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And it looked like they needed a little bit longer, so I put them in for about 5 minutes longer. So about 45 minutes. And look at the tops. The tops are starting to break and fluff up. Wow, these turned out so well. I'm really happy with that. Now let's take a close inspection of this caramelized date sugar on the top. And you can use a toothpick and poke down in the center to make sure that they're done, because you don't want muffins with a gooey, raw center. Leave them in this pan if you have a clay muffin pan like I do, because they'll cook for about 10 minutes longer outside of the oven. And here they are after they cooled. Wow, these are probably the best muffins that we've made. Definitely paid off, and I'm going to try them on camera. Here we go. What do you think below in the comments? You're going to try these out? Let me know if you already made them, what you think. I love hearing your feedback. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers recently. I appreciate it. The channel is growing. Let me know what kind of recipes you want to see, and I'll see you in the next video. These are definitely Alkaline Chef approved. Nice and flavorful and nutty, a little bit pleasantly sweet. Thank you so much for sticking around all the way to the end. My mouth is watering. If you want to completely change your life and transform your health, I do have a 12-week transformation program, and you can reach out to me. There's a link at the bottom of the description for a free consultation. See you there, and see you in the next video.